Hi students, in today's class I will explain you about an important question from acids and bases which is based on pH values. So here a table is given. The question is observe the table and answer the following question, and some solutions are given and their respective pH values are given. So based on the pH values we can identify the nature of the solution. The solution P is having the pH value 7 is considered as neutral. Then solution Q having pH value 6 is considered acidic. Solution R having pH value 11 is considered basic. Solution S having pH value 2 is considered acidic. Solution T having pH value 8 considered basic. Now let us answer the question one by one, and along with the question and answer, wherever required I will provide concept table or concept and a definition. So try to follow the concepts also carefully, because this will be helpful when you are answering any question based on these concepts, either for 1 mark or 2 marks also. So now let us see the question. Which solutions turns into pink when added phenolphthalein? And the next question is which solution or solutions turn into red when added methyl orange? So from the given question table, whichever the solutions turn into pink or red when phenolphthalein or methyl orange indicator added. So we know these phenolphthalein and methyl orange indicators are synthetic indicators. Now let us see how they change into different colors in acidic and basic medium. From the table, methyl orange turns into a red color in acidic medium, yellow color in basic medium. Phenolphthalein turns to colorless in acidic medium and pink color in basic medium. So according to the question, if solution is turning into pink, means that solution in the phenolphthalein indicator, that means that solution may be basic. Now let us find from the question table which are basic. Here solution T and solution R are basic. So our answer for the first question is T and R. T and R solutions turns into pink when added phenolphthalein indicator. Then question number 2, which solution turns into red when added methyl orange? See from the table, methyl orange turns into red color in acidic medium. From the table, let us find the acidic solutions. Solution Q and solution S are acidic. That's why our answer for question number 2 is Q and S. The solutions Q and S turn into red when added methyl orange because they are acidic. Now let us see the next question. Which is strong acid? And we know that solution having pH value between 0 and 3 are considered strong acids. That's why from the question table, whichever is having pH value lesser than 3 are considered strong acid. From the table, solution ES is having the pH value 2. That's why this is the strong acid. Solution S is the strong acid. Our answer is solution S. Next question. Which one indicates pure water? From the pH table we know solution having pH value 7 is considered neutral. So from the question table we can see which solution is having the pH value 7? Solution P is having the pH value 7, that's why solution P is the neutral one. Neutral one. So answer is P. Then next question is, if pH is equal to 7, then find the H plus. So first let us know what is pH. pH is defined as a negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration, and the meaning of the name pH is justified as the power of the hydrogen. Hence our answer is H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7. The next question is, which solutions are acidic? From the given table, which solutions are acidic? Whichever solutions having less than 7 pH value are considered acidic. So from the given table, here Q and S are having the pH values less than 7. That's why the answer is Q and S. Then let us go to the next question. What is the color of the solution Q when added universal indicator? First let us try to know what is universal indicator. The universal indicator is used to know the strength of the acid. To determine the strength of the acids and bases, the universal indicator is used. Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators. It is made up of several indicators. The universal indicator shows different colors at different concentrations of hydrogen. This we can observe from the pH chart with the color representation. Here at various pH values it is showing different colors. So now let us come to the question. Solution Q shows which color when added universal indicator. First let us try to find the pH value of the Q. Q is having the pH value 6. So since the pH value is 6, the color here is greenish yellow, almost it is green. So the answer is green. And the next question is, what is the color of blue litmus paper when dipped in the solution S? We know blue litmus and red litmus turns into various colors when dipped into the acids and bases. So S is of acidic or basic. Let us see, it is acidic. So since the blue litmus is dipped into the acid, that is solution S, so it turns into the red. So with this the answering the question is over. So please follow it carefully and try to watch once or twice for your better understanding. Jai Hind.